Yeah, they at about that point he was like, he was in his 80s, he wasn't in, I think he was in a wheelchair, but rumor has it he was basically saying that I didn't realize everything I want to be on. So they probably decided, they might have just decided, that's for everyone. Yeah, it's just very controversial what happened to him.
My guess is
A friend of mine had an encounter with it. Like, Whitey was in he was in a section called South Boston, and my friend and his cousin were like driving, the car went by and Whitey Bulger was there, and his cousin decided to be funny and yelled, "Hey look, it's the Godfather of Southie!" The car stopped. My friend, run! They like hit on a roof basically, and he said like here's like the car stop, and it's like I think the thing that saved me